Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. I am V. Today's video is a powder foundation, and the one I am doing from my foundation powder collection is the It Celebration foundation powder, and the shade is Rich. This is what it looks like on the outside. It is a really nice package and it's smooth over here. This is where the shade is, and this is what the shade looks like. This is more of a cooler month shade for me than in winter. It does have a mirror. It also has a mirror right here, and this is where the puff was. So you have two mirrors, magnifying mirror and regular mirror. Because the summer in Florida is really hot. I know Florida is hot all the time, but the summer this year was very, very hot. And I have been outside enjoying the nice weather in the cool shade most of the time, but that doesn't mean you don't get dark. So some of my powder foundations are looking a little lighter on me than usual, but this is It Cosmetics. I just wanted to show you this powder from my collection. But in the cooler months, it is my perfect match. But in the warmer summer months, because I'm outside, my melanin skin gets a little darker. And then this color no longer looks like a match. But I just want you to see that we do need a lighter shade foundation and a darker shade foundation, because in the warmer months you will need something a little darker, and in the cooler months you'll need something a little lighter. But always make sure it's the right shade. But this is It Cosmetics. As usual, I'll take the brush and brush it off to make sure, I have no residue and everything is flawless. But if you don't have a brush, you can just leave it as is. I did not do my eyes over here because I'm going to do a makeup look and I don't want to have my other stuff on there. But this is what it's looking like with the sponge. As you can see, it's a little lighter, but soon I'll be able to wear it by itself without anything. But I can fix this. A light foundation I can fix. A dark foundation I can fix. There are ways to fix them. This is the powder. It Cosmetics. The color is Rich. I used the sponge. And then I just took the brush and just go over it just to make sure everything is seamless. This is a really nice foundation powder. It is beautiful, as you can see. Even though it's a little lighter, it is still pretty. Thank you all again for watching. Always remember, you are first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I Simply Makeup is saying to go out there and be fabulous. Make no excuses. Bye.